today I will teach you how to preserve a fruit which is called santol. So the ingredients to preserve this fruit are brown sugar, salt, vinegar, and the santol. So first, we'll add in, or the first thing to do to make the pickling solution is to add in 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of salt, and 1/2 cup of vinegar. Then stir well so that the salt and brown sugar will dissolve well. Once we're done dissolving the solid ingredients, we will add in the santol. Now we will add in the santol. And if this is perfectly made well, this would last for 6 months, and it would be very sweet and very yummy. And good to eat. So that's how you make pickled santol. See you guys for our next video. Hope to see you there too. Bye.